morning, welcome traders. Welcome to another video of Prophecy Trades. Today's video will be a friendly update on EURAUD and GBPCHF. If you're interested to know how we got in these trades, please click on the previous video. So as you can tell with EURAUD, we are out of the market for this trade. This trade was roughly a 1 to 5 risk reward, more specifically around a 1 to 4.9. And we actually end up securing profits at this 1.800 level. And we moved our stops to break even, giving us a risk-free trade, mitigating any risk. And we later on in the evening set our take profit at this 1.80853 level, taking us out of this trade in profit. So basically, this is the final analysis, final markup of a successful trade. We were in an uptrend. I zoomed down to the 15-minute, and we saw an inverted head and shoulders. And we also indicated price action. We are above the 50 EMA, and there was a lot of other uptrend confluences confirming this as a nice long buy opportunity. So with that, let's move on to GBPCHF. If you want to know more about GBPCHF on entries and how I got into the trade, please click on the previous video for more details. So basically, this was more of an in and out trade. I saw the opportunity. We had a nice horizontal trend line being respected here, acting as a form of resistance. I did call this a triple top, and then this was an unmitigated supply zone that then was mitigated and plot price collapsed just as I predicted. And other traders and other viewers that may ask, why did you not take the target to your first original take profit, the minus 27, and the second take profit, the minus 61.8? And the reason being is because we saw a lot of exhaustion at this level. We saw multiple wicks struggling to break this 1.06623 level, indicating a strong sign of support just due to where we were in the market. Today is now Friday. I wanted to be in and out of this trade, and I didn't want to have any increase of probability of holding this trade over the weekend. So I just targeted this previous low, still giving us a pretty good risk reward of a 1 to 6, risking roughly just 10 pips. So I can show what it would have been if I would have held the trade longer. And let's see here, from this swing high, from this swing low, and for those that are trying to understand for more clarity, it's this swing high here, highlighted in yellow, and this swing low is what we bring it to. And we can tell the minus 27 is at this region, and the minus 61.8 is at this region. So this would have brought us up to a 1 to 9, 1 to 9.5 roughly, all the way up to a very, very high risk reward of a 1 to 12. So this would have been a very, very significant trade, risking 1%. This would have been a 12% gain just off this one trade. So here at Prophecy Trades, we're about quality setups. We're not about quantity. And this is exactly what I'm talking about here. So if you're liking these videos, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.